like thee and remember our dead. I am like a dish that is broken. Father, into your hands I commend my spirit, but my trust is in you, O Lord. I say you are my God.